Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Tammy Powley with Peace Craft Dolls and I have been doing collabs, and now we've opened it up as collab challenges where we, Tammy and I, challenge one another to see who does the best fill in the character. We have done Alice in Wonderland, we have done Merida, and we did Snow White. And what we had done is asked the viewers to vote on our dolls 1 through 10. We have now opened it up and asked you all to join us and make your own video of your best rendition of fill in the blank dolls. And I just wanted to remind you that the Cruella challenge is coming up, and I also wanted to answer some questions. You can use any kind of doll. You do not have to do a face-up. You don't even have to dress them exactly like the character. You can see here I have some examples of what you might do or how you might do it, or just dress them in a red dress and put a Dalmatian in the background. You can do anything at all and make your video. We will have a hashtag. What I am going to do is start with this inexpensive Barbie I bought in a thrift lot. She came with some other dolls, and what I'm going to try to do is divide her hair with my black dye and see if I can just do half of her head before I tear into my more expensive Blythe doll. And I don't want to mess her up. It's kind of scary, I've got to tell you. And then I was going to do one half purple, half white. I don't know, it's starting to get scary. When I look at the dye, it's like, oh gosh, do I have that talent? I am going to try to do a little face up on my doll, not a lot, just a little bit. And like I said, the dye, which is very scary. I should have had gloves sitting here, and I should take those gloves and wrap them around here and tie them so that when I get ready to do this, I remember. I really don't want that all over my hands and nails. Just a reminder, any doll, anything related to Cruella. And don't forget the heads up that we gave you, that we are also going to be doing Maleficent dolls. I can never say that name right, so if I said it wrong, just pretend like I didn't. So I wanted to give you that heads up so that if, like me, you wanted to get a new doll or a right doll or a different doll, so that you could do a face up and horns, or however you want to do it, you have time to do that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you plan on participating, and subscribe.